Alright guys, so today I'm going to explain to you guys how to find the percent yield and the theoretical yield of a problem. So, I've written here, for the following reaction, 3.17 grams of iodide are mixed with excess hydrogen gas. The reaction yields 2.93 grams of hydrogen iodide. So the first question is, what is your theoretical yield of hydrogen iodide? And what is your percent yield for this reaction? Now, first, I'm going to explain to you guys what these words mean of this equation. So, when you have an excess of hydrogen gas, or any excess really, that means that you're going to use iodide, okay? That means you're going to use the other one. And when it yields this, that means that is your actual yield. So you can write it off to the side. 2.93 grams is your actual yield. Alright, now the first step is you're going to want to do an equation. So iodide is mixed with hydrogen gas. So that's I2 plus H2. These are the reactants, and your product will be hydrogen iodide, which is HI. Now, notice we have 2 and 2 here, so all you got to do to balance, 2. So that gives that hydrogen 2, and it gives the iodide 2. Okay? That's your first step. Now, your second step is to take the grams of iodide and we're going to convert it to the moles of iodide. So, how do we do that? I'll do it right here. We have 3.17 grams iodide, I2 technically, and I'm going to make a bracket like this. So, put your molar mass here. You can look on the periodic table and find what I2 is, but I already have it written here. That is 253.8 grams of I2. And on the top, you're going to have 1 mole of I2. Okay? Now, you're not done yet. Next is the mole ratio part, okay? So, what does that mean? That means we're going to use however many amount of iodide moles goes into how many moles of hydrogen iodide. So, it's 1 mole of I2, right? Goes into 2 moles of HI, okay? And how did you know this was 1? Well, because there's a little 1 coefficient right there, and that's a 2 coefficient right there. And your last step is to convert this into grams of HI. So how do we do that? We do 1 mole here of HI so that these will cancel. And then on the top, you will have the molar mass. So the molar mass is 127.9 grams of HI. So this we're going to solve for the grams, okay? Ultimately, you want grams. Fair enough. Now, solving through it, get my calculator. You're going to do 3.17 grams. Let's cancel out this with this of I2 divided by 253.8, and that will give you 0.0124 moles of I2. Are we done? Nah. Now you gotta multiply by the second part, which is 2 moles of HI. Okay? So the over 1 mole of I2. Okay? So the I2's kind of canceled out. And you multiply this times 2. And you get 0.0249. Okay? And then the last step, or almost, is multiply this times this and divide it by 1. But in this case, it's just 127.9 grams of HI. And 0.9. So, your answer is 3.194 194 grams of HI. Okay, so far looking good. Now what is that? That right there is your theoretical yield. Now, that solves this right here. 3.194 grams of HI. That is your theoretical yield. Now, the equation to solve the percent yield is actual over theoretical multiplied by 100. So all we got to do is 2.93 grams actual over theoretical, which was 3.194 grams of HI. Grams of HI. And you're going to divide them. So 2.93 over 3.194 equals 0.917. Now, to get the percent, all you got to do is multiply that by 100, move the decimal places 2 points over, and you get roughly 91.7%, or if you really want, you can round that to 92%. And I hope this helped. Thanks, guys.